Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I went to Rite Aid this morning to partake in some of the Black Friday deals, and this was really good. And even if you don't have coupons, guys, it would be $6.50 for all of this magic, which is really great. Over at Dollar General, we have this Airwick kit for 95 cents, which is really fantastic. And then we're just gonna jog through some of the Walgreens deals. Unfortunately, nothing popped up. I thought there would be some sort of booster or something nice, but nothing popped up. But we'll just go through some of these stocking stuffers and little dealios if you want to partake. But if you want to go to these two stores, I also understand that. The weather report for you guys, kind of a gloomy one out there. Look how, it was like 1986 out there. It's so gray. So anyhow, hi to my mom if she's watching, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Okay, so over at Rite Aid, we have, it is for the next couple of days, from the 25th to the 27th. It is a little coupon you'll get emailed, or you find it at the front of the flyer, which is $15 back in bonus cash when you spend $50. This is my $50 basket on the nose. And I was really kind of like, I don't really have a lot of coupons, so I was really limited what I could do, but I still tried to make a deal out of something, and I had very little bonus cash as well. As many of you know, I have not been shopping there much, but they had 4 freebies and that had my interest. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through this whole basket, and I did pay a little bit out of pocket for this one, but what I paid, I got back in bonus cash. And then on hubby's store card, I just rolled, he had $5 of bonus cash. I bought $5 of merch and just rolled it, and I'll talk about that. We're just gonna jog through what I did here. And again, I bought this all as one big basket of $50 of merch. So the Conair, the products, and also the Scunci hair ties are $3 a piece. When you buy 2, you get back $3 for each in bonus cash, making that free. So that's a freebie for the next couple of days. These candy bars are 50 cents each. You get back $1, plus IBOTTA has 25 cents for the Butterfingers and 25 cents for the Baby Ruth. Also a little freebie is the Russell Stouffer's Santas. These guys are 50 cents each, so 2 for $1. You get $1 back. Limit for that is 1, limit for that is 1, limit for this is the 2. And then another great little deal with these little Palmolives, and really pay attention in the store that you're grabbing the 8 ounces, because they have one that's antibacterial that is 10 ounces, which would be the wrong one. These guys are $1 each. Buy 2, get back $2 in bonus cash, making this dish soap for free. So those are the 4 freebies if you just wanted to grab the freebies, and I grabbed this other items to get my basket to 50. That include these 2 7th generations. These guys are $10.99. And when you buy one of these, you get $5 of bonus cash, limit 2. I got the free and clear, which is a 66 load. Now Ravi had said that the one that's called Tropical Grove, so it's like a pink flower on there, it's also kicking back an extra $3 of bonus cash. Unfortunately, I wanted the free and clear because this is what we use. So if you want to test the other one out, by all means go for it. It might be a bigger moneymaker pour vu, but this is what I grabbed like a loser. And then the last thing I did was I grabbed Airwick oils. Now just to let you guys know something interesting. In the display, they had Airwick mixed in with the Glade stuff, and they looked identical. So you really have to pay attention. See where my thumb is? It says Airwick, because I think, you know, if you're putting a display together, I'll just put it all together, you know? Anyhow, I got 3 of these. I still do have my store discount. So for this, it was $5.99 with gold discount for this one, $6.99 for this one, and then $3.49 for this one. When you buy 15, you get back, I think it's like $3, but for whatever reason, I got $6 back. And I also had a $2.75 coupon from an insert, like the Halloween Smart Source. So I used 3 of those. So that's the only coupon I used as well. So for this whole basket, guys, it was $50.45. That is like right on the nose for this deal. I got the cashier to scan the get $15 of bonus cash when you spend 50, plus I had 3 $2.75 coupons for the Airwick. Now, I also had $10 of bonus cash that I rolled for this deal. So I had to pay $32 plus tax, and then I got back $43 in bonus cash. $15 for the booster, $10 for the 7th generation, 2 $5 ones, $4 for this, $1 for this, $1 for this, plus IBOTTA gave me back $0.25 for each, $6 for this, and then $6 for the Airwick. So that was really fantastic. And even if you don't have the 275 coupons, if you just wanted to grab all this stuff, it would be $6.50 for you, which is really fantastic. Now, I also photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and I now have like $3 missing to get a $5 Airwick reward. So I have to go and buy something for $3 and some change today, because I have been asleep at the wheel for that promotion, but I'm so close now, so I'm gonna have to find something today, because I think it expires on the 25th. But still very happy with my basket. Hopefully you guys could follow along. And if you do not want the 7th generation laundry soap, I know there's some sort of razor like for $23 and it's kicking back $10 of bonus cash. So in lieu, just subtract that one and get the shaver. I think it's by Braun or one of those companies, Braun or Conair. Read the labels in the store, but really happy with that. Now on hubby's store card, again, I didn't want to have to spend another $30. He had $5 in bonus cash, and I basically used the remaining bonus cash and rolled it into these freebies because I have not been shopping there very much. So I picked up 4 of the Palmolive, the 8 ouncers, and this was $4 on the nose, and then 2 little candy bars at 50 cents each for $1. That right there, guys, is $5 of merch. I rolled my $5 of bonus cash, and then I got $5 back. 2 for every 2 Palmolive, so that's $4 for that, and then $1 back for this, and then 50 cents back from IBOTTA for these, a quarter each, which I'm gonna have to claim maybe tomorrow. Yes, what a great little deal that was, and everything went perfectly this morning. Nothing was also tagged at my store, so you know, it was one of these things that I was just watching the cash register like a hawk, that, you know, if this was not ringing up for $3, I had grabbed the wrong one. Like, you really have to pay attention when there's no tags. But I had paid enough attention that it worked out perfectly. So I'm delighted with that. We're at the Dollar General. They have this flyer, and I kind of went into my gain video yesterday if you want to go and watch it. There are some deals that are for today only, which is the 25th. Including like the soup for $1 per can when it's usually $1.75. That's really good. Sorry about the weird mood lighting, guys. It's just so dark outside. This is one that grabbed my attention. Now, my understanding, it says, you know, only this date. So I thought this digital coupon would only be good today, but I think the coupon's good for a couple of days. It's not just today. But it was loadable today, and I remembered this guy was in the clearance section, which is this tangerine flavor. Hey, for Christmas, I think that's even a nice scent. So this guy is $8.95. Subtracting that $5 digital, and yes, it is attaching to this clearance product, you'll pay $3.95, and IBOTTA has a $3 rebate, making it 95 cents after everything is said and done. Look through your clearance section. If you cannot find this guy, go and buy just a regular Essential Mist kit for $10. Subtracting that $5 coupon, you'll pay $5 out of pocket, get $3 back from IBOTTA, making it $2. And there was a whole bunch of those as well. So yeah, I was really happy to do this, and I unfortunately have to grab something else because I'm $3 short from hitting my Fetch Rewards $5 bonus for buying all this Airwick stuff. So how funny is that? Hopefully I'll be able to find another one of those today. So the last store we're going to talk about, because they are on a timeout, I think as the wealthiest pharmacy, they should have given us at least a couple of freebies for Thanksgiving, but nope. So I'm just going to jog through these. I talked about them earlier in the week, so you know, if you are interested, keep watching. So the Viva is $3.99. It's either these guys or the Cottonelle. So for two of them, that's $7.98. I'm not sure if you're anything like me, but I have a lot of those $5 store coupons. So I'm just trying to get rid of them. So I used one of those and $3 of Walgreens cash, pay down the tax. So very delighted with that. And also photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You will get back a little bit extra something for that purchase. These Burt's Bees, I found them on a side cap near the skincare aisle. There's a promotion of buy 2 skincare products, get 1 for free, and it's attaching to this. So $4.99, $4.99 free. So for the 2 of them, that's $9.98. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash or a goofy combination of a store register reward and $5 of Walgreens cash, whatever you want to do. But I think you put this on top of a gift. That's kind of like a classy little gift. And then the last thing with these little mini lash bars, I think they're so cute. They're BOGO 50% off this week. So $10.99, $5.49 for the 2 of them. That's $16.48. We have a $4 digital and then a $2 digital. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay 48 cents and laugh all the way to the bank and back. Well, are you still here? Well, if you're still here, let's have a quick little giveaway for a $15 Domino's gift card. Only one winner for this. In the comments, let me know where you're from and your favorite pizza. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio, Hawaiian. 1 entry per person, and you must live in the United States to participate. And I will be picking the winner on Saturday, November the 27th. Good luck to everybody and happy Thanksgiving. We'll catch you guys in the next one.